Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nioby Monroe for those of you who are new, and to all of my returning girlies. Hey loves, I miss you guys so much, and in today's video I will be sharing my acne prone skincare routine and reviewing the Dr.Leo Salicylic Acid Acne Clearing 4-step routine. This system is designed for sensitive, oily, redness prone and acne prone skin. Now, if you have acne prone skin like me, you already know it can be very high maintenance. So finding products that actually treat acne while still being gentle on your skin barrier is super important. If you have acne prone skin like me, girl, then you know that the breakouts just don't ever seem to stop. Before we get started on the routine, this is a close-up on my skin so that you can see the texture, my pores, redness, and any blemishes. I am having a few mild breakouts around my cheek and jaw area, and this right here was actually from a chemical burn that is currently healing. As far as my forehead, I do have a little bit of hyperpigmentation that I do want to clear up. I have had acne prone skin for most of my life now. I feel like my skin started to change around the age of 13, 14 years old, and that's when I started to notice my skin just easily breaking out, just having so many sensitivities that I didn't have as a child, which is completely okay because that's just a part of being human. That's just a part of one becoming a woman. And the best thing I did was learn myself and learn my skin. So let's hop into the first step of the Dr.Leo skincare routine. We are starting with the Salicylic Acid Purifying Facial Cleanser. The key ingredients include salicylic acid, 8 amino acids, Centella asiatica. Wow, this feels so good. I've had the longest day, and this is just giving me the best feeling in the world. I do want to focus on my nose because I do wear a lot of makeup and I tend to build up a lot of gunk. I'm also going to focus on my hairline because that is the area where I do tend to build up gunk from my bronzer and just my contouring, but that doesn't mean that I should be neglecting it. So I'm really just super happy that Dr.Leo will be helping me clear that up as well. If you have thick brows like me, make sure you go in and really get in there. Okay, now I'm gonna let that sit for about 2 minutes. Step 2 is the cleansing clay stick, which is great if you deal with congestion, blackheads, and oily areas. This formula contains 16% kaolin clay, volcano clay, 4% activated charcoal, ectoine, and aloe vera. You apply the clay stick directly to dry skin, and as you can see, it's gliding on like butter. After cleansing, the next step is calming and hydrating the skin using the Panthenol Soothing Water Gel. This is definitely very hydrating, I'll tell you that much. You can see that the texture is very lightweight and jelly-like, which makes it great for people who don't want heavy moisturizers clogging their pores. The last step is the Drying Lotion Plus, which works as a spot treatment for active breakouts. Key ingredients include 1.8% salicylic acid, 4% niacinamide, 10% colloidal sulfur, and 15% zinc oxide. These ingredients work together to reduce inflammation, fight acne-causing bacteria, and help blemishes heal faster. The cool thing about the Dr.Leo Acne Buster Salicylic Acid Lotion is that you could either leave it on for an hour or overnight. In my case, I will be leaving it overnight because I am getting ready for bed and I just want to make sure I get the maximum results from the product. Alright loves, well I am getting ready to get into bed, but before I let you guys go, I wanted to give you all my overall review of the Dr.Leo acne and soothing routine. So what I really love about this product set is that it treats acne while supporting your skin's barrier. One thing about having acne prone skin is that it is super important to pay attention to the types of ingredients, and in this case Dr.Leo came with all of the ingredients our skin loves, from salicylic acid, niacinamides, panthenols, and ceramides, which all help balance acne treatment with skin repair. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more skincare routines and product testing, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions regarding your skin. So if you are ready to treat your acne and start your glow up journey, make sure you check out the kit that I listed down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!